Hey everyone, in this video, we'll be talking about how you can register yourself on Discord. If you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So the first step would be opening the Discord app. After opening it, this is the interface. After that, click on register, the first option. Okay, on this page you get two options. You can either use your phone number to register yourself or to make your new account, or you can use your email by clicking on the email tab. So you can choose either of those. I'm using email. Let me just enter my email. After entering your email, you'll be transferred on this page and you'll have to enter the display name. You can choose whatever display name you want. Let's say if my name is Adam, I'll just say Adam. Yep, that's it. You can choose whatever you want. After choosing the name, you can click on next. Now, there's also an option to skip this. If you don't really want to choose the display name for now, you can skip the option. As you can see, there's a button on the top right section to skip, but I'll just choose it anyway. So click on next. After that, you get the option to change your username. Okay. Now, there is a difference between username and your display name. Your display name can be shared with a lot of people. You don't really want to have a unique display name. But when it comes to username, you need to have something which is unique and something that is only assigned to you. Okay. So, as you can see, it has already suggested me a username which is Adam049601. Any person in the world does not have this particular username. All right, so yeah, if you don't like this username, you can just cancel this. We can write Adam. All right, as you can see, it says username is unavailable. Let's just add a few letters. Let's say I want my Adam to have two M's, and let's add a few numbers. Let's say 7, 8. You have to add numbers and letters until it says it's available. Okay, 7, 8, 9, 6, 4. Okay, there you go. It says username is available. Nice. After that, choose a password. Okay, let me just choose a password for me. Now on this page, enter your birth date. After entering your birth date, click on create an account. After clicking on continue, you'll be asked if you are a human, so just click on confirm. I'll do that. Okay, you have to solve this captcha. Let me just do that real quick. Click on the animals that have a beak. Okay. After that, click on verify. And that's pretty much it. Now, as you can see, my account is created. This is my profile. Now, there's one thing that you need to remember. The captcha that I solved, it doesn't necessarily have to be the same when you try to create your account. It is different whenever you try to create an account. It is different for everyone, okay? So yeah, you need to solve that yourself. Now, for now, as you can see, I have created my account. This is Adam. And that's the interface. You'll have your servers here. You'll have your personal messages in the second one, and here are notifications, and the last one is your profile. Now we'll discuss all these options briefly in some other video. So that's it for today. Thank you.